Hello everyone and welcome to our Quarter 4 Fund Discovery podcast series. I'm Nova Lui, Head of Investors Advisory at RHB Bank. It's great to have you with us as we dive into fund opportunities that Quarter 4 presents. Looking back, Quarter 3 was a roller coaster for global market. Despite policy noise and geopolitical tension, equity market overall trended positively, especially across Asia. The US Fed made its first interest rate cut of the year in September, responding to a softer labor market. Meanwhile, Asian tech stocks staged a strong comeback and gold price surged past the 4,000 mark, fueled by Fed cuts and a weaker US dollar. What are the key events to watch out for in the quarter 4? First is to look at the interest rate direction. After the Fed September cut, expectations are building for further easing. That means more support for equities, bonds, and income-focused funds. Second is on the China-US trade tension. The US threatened to increase tariff on Chinese goods in reaction to China's guidance on controlling rare earth exports, sparking volatility in the equity market. Third is on the US government shutdown. With federal data disrupted, investors are leaning on private reports like ADP for clues. Many federal employees are furloughed or working without pay, resulting in missed paychecks and reduced wages, which dampen consumer spending across the economy. Fourth is on the China's domestic policy. Beijing's AI Plus plan, infrastructure stimulus, and a looser monetary policy are bullish for Chinese and broader Asia-Pacific markets. And finally is on the Malaysia 2026 budget. Spending remains supportive of construction, utilities, and green infrastructure, providing domestic tailwind for selected sectors. The three key investment themes for quarter 4 2025 are: number 1, stay global, stay nimble. With geopolitical shift and market dispersion, it's critical to diversify globally and be selective across tech and consumer names. Second, coupon and quote. Bond and mixed asset funds are attractive with falling rates. We are also seeing opportunity in AI-driven rebalancing and digital asset integration. And the third investment theme is deep learning, deep value. Asia ex-Japan equities are making a comeback, supported by attractive valuation, policy stimulus, and improving earnings momentum. These are the list of the top 5 fund discoveries for the quarter. The first fund is RHB Global Shariah Equity Index. It's a Shariah compliant fund with a full replication of Dow Jones Islamic Market Titan 100 Index. It heavyweight exposure to the US and the Magnificent 7 tech giants with diversification according to the index. The target ETF has surpassed $5 billion in AUM since launch. This fund is ideal for clients seeking ethical investing with global diversification. Second fund is RHB Asia Equity High Income. This fund is designed for income stability with a 7 to 9% targeted income through dividends and options premiums. It maintains high exposure into Asia with a beta under 1. The fund invests into Asia-Pacific equity market, which are relatively cheaper valuation comparing to the developed market. This is suitable for investor that is seeking for income with downside resilience. The third fund is still on Asia Pacific, that is RHB Asia Pacific Equity Dividend Fund. It combines dividend yield and growth from Asia ex-Japan equities. The fund fits into JP Morgan Asia Equity Dividend Fund. This is great for medium to long-term investors aiming for balanced income and capital appreciation. This fund leverages on JP Morgan expertise, which has more than 90% exposure into JP Morgan Asia Equity Dividend Fund. The fourth fund is exposure into multi-asset, including digital asset, that is RHB Dynamic Artificial Intelligence Allocator. This is Malaysia's first AI-driven multi-asset fund with digital asset exposure including cryptocurrency ETF. On monthly basis, AI-powered rebalancing using proprietary model to optimize risk-adjusted return. It has a portfolio that is diversified across equity, fixed income, digital asset, and money market instruments. With this AI methodology, it eliminates human bias through data-driven, emotion-free investment decision. It's tactical asset allocation that adapts to market conditions for long-term capital growth. And finally, riding on the interest rate cut cycle is the RHB World Series Global Income Fund. This is a fund that fits into PIMCO GIS Income Fund, one of the most respected in fixed income. It focuses on consistent income with a global bond strategy. The underlying fund has low volatility, suitable for clients that is prioritizing capital preservation with you. So, what does this all mean for you? In a world shaped by artificial intelligence, digital transformation, and shifting policy, the right fund selection can power up your portfolio and protect it through volatility. Whether you are looking for consistent income, ethical investing, or a bond bet on future technologies, Q4 offers a spectrum of opportunities. We advise keeping a diversified portfolio, balancing growth, income, and innovation tailored to your risk appetite and investment horizon. And with that, we wrap up today's podcast on fund discovery for Q4 2025. To learn more about this fund and get personalized investment advice, reach out to your RHB Bank relationship manager. They are here to help you navigate every market cycle with confidence. Until next time, this is Nova Lui from RHB Bank, wishing you smart investing and a strong finish to your 2025 portfolio journey.